moment of silence. Spice Diana, we are so excited to have you in Midland High School. You inspire many of these learners. And thank you so much for that wonderful performance, as well as the message of inspiration. Before you are some students, fine art students, using their talent of art, they were able to come up with a surprise pencil art of your appearance. Actually, they have your photocopy, and they are here to give it to you as a surprise gift. In the first place, we have Cypher. He's a former student, he's a teacher of this institution. May you please present your art. Product of Midland High School, Bamutonede, building brains with character. Woman Chori Moa. Ati, oyo muganda wa teacher Chibuka. Senior 6. Actually, this is a student who has with a good piece of art. As a student who is still learning, for sure when I looked at it, it was so wonderful. I hope it will amaze you also. May you please.
So I'm really impressed. Because of many things I'm doing. But when I see Acho Mulunj, I really appreciate. Cypher and Marvin, is it Marvin? Cypher and Marvin, just to inspire you. At least now government spice yagula koko at PC angera manager wange ka transport kange ke bampadde aba Midland lekake mitwala na ogapero mwami ono agawe Cypher ne Marvin. Maybe ojagula mu pencils, charcoal and all that. Bibayambe ko mu artwork omulage muna mukozechi. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. And then ngenda funa wetula wali ndabe performance but birthday salon